While a pin is a tactic which pins a piece into place and prevents it from moving, a skewer is the exact opposite. With a skewer, the piece being attacked is so important it must get out of the way, leaving a vulnerable piece behind it. The worst is a king and queen skewer. In this position, notice white's king and queen are lined up on the same diagonal. This should set off some alarm bells. Now the black bishop can move to f6, putting the king into check. Obviously the king must move, but when this happens, the queen gets captured. This is a classic skewer. Let's look at another example. In this position, black's queen and rook are lined up on the same diagonal. Can you find white's best move here? That's correct. Bishop to g3, skewering the queen to the rook. The queen removes itself from that diagonal, but leaves the rook wide open for capture. White wins an entire rook, thanks to the skewer. Skewers don't have to be on diagonals. They can also be on ranks. In this position, can you find a rook check that skewers the black king to the knight? The correct move here is rook to g7, and after the king moves, white wins the knight. The key to finding a skewer is recognizing when valuable pieces are lined up together. Now it's your turn to find some skewers.